What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a sales funnel without actually doing any work. So this is going to save you a lot of time when it comes to creating a sales funnel because you don't have to actually do any of the work on your own. What you can do essentially is import a funnel into your own account, and it's already like pre-written, templates already there, and all you have to do is just enter in your own information to make it applicable for your own business. So this, for example, this is a real estate funnel, right? Get exclusive listings of the best homes currently available for sale in Mesa, right? And then what you do, they click the link and this should pop up. Yeah, okay, so they click the link and this turns into a lead form, right? So basically, how would you change this? All you're going to want to do is just put in your own information, right? So let's say you're a real estate agent and you don't work in Mesa, you work in Los Angeles, right? Let's just say. Basically what you do, get exclusive listings, best homes currently available for sale in Los Angeles. Easy. And we're going to change this also to Los Angeles. Okay, now here you could put like a picture. Well, there's already kind of a picture there of like this living room. I guess you could just leave that the way it is. Now, in my opinion, this is not like the most beautiful landing page, so let's take a look at what else we have here. Damn. Alright, so this is for gym launch. Not really sure what this is supposed to be, but I believe this is maybe somebody who wants to open a gym, like a gym franchising page. Alright, so this one is a little bit more elaborate. Okay, so basically with this, you're asking for a lot more information. And here, this is essentially like a testimonial of whatever the product is that you happen to be selling, or service, I guess, in this case. Right, here's all these questions. You can change these where you refer directly by your franchisor, change that to whatever you want. Here you're going to have some more success stories / testimonials. This you can paste like a screenshot of a Facebook post or a Google review or something like that. Here you've got another video, screenshot, boom, click to sign up, takes you back here. Okay, what's another one? How about this one? This one's very simple. Okay, so this looks like a squeeze page, right? So essentially people come here, let's say you have an ebook or a course or something, you put a picture of that here, you get a 3D book cover to kind of tempt the person into becoming a lead, right? Let's say, oh yeah, I really want my free PDF. They click that, and then it's got this, because it's amazing, better than HTML. I'm not really sure what this is. Okay, subscribe for download, name, email address, bada boom, bada bing, piece o' cake. Let's just look at this last one, although this is actually the same one, okay, as before. So basically, how do you create a sales funnel without doing any work is you're going to use a shared funnel. All right, now in the link to this video, in the description to this video, I have about 30 shared funnels that you guys can import into your own account and that you can play with and look around and see maybe if one of those is applicable for you in your business. Okay, steal them, use them, do whatever you want with them. I believe in the description I also have a document with an additional 40 shared funnels where a lot of those come from famous marketers. I believe it's this right here. It's, let's see, $50 million shared funnel library. Okay, so basically what this is a, like I said, a document with 46 different funnels that have grossed over $50 million in revenue. And you can use these for whatever you want. You can give them to people, get them to sign up for ClickFunnels. You can use them for your own thing, like this is a health and fitness expert if you've got a health and fitness product. This one for multi-million-dollar online brands. She uses her funnel to sell her 0 to 100K webinar. So essentially, you can just do the exact same thing, right? As long as you have these funnels, you exchange your videos for their videos, your copy for their copy, your name for their name, and you're good to go. Cool, so if you guys have any questions about how to create a sales funnel, then feel free to ask me in a comment. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want free help making money online, you're stuck, you want to get started, you don't know what to do, you can schedule a free call with me and I'm actually helping some people right now for 2 weeks for free. I don't charge you anything. 2 weeks of help for free. If afterwards you want to continue with the coaching, you can decide to continue, and you pay me a monthly rate. But if not, you can continue on anyway, on your own, and you get to keep all of the resources that I give you. So it's a pretty sweet deal, if I do say so myself. If you guys are interested in that, schedule a call, and there will be a link in the description for you to do that as well. Cool? Peace.